If you've ever installed a helical head on a Dewalt 735 planer and you haven't got the most consistent cut, most likely one or more of your carbide heads are out of alignment, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So this is a test board out of my planer after putting the helical head in, and as you can see, especially this one particular one, we've got really, something's out of alignment for sure. A couple other cuts here, and what I did is I took a pencil and drew on it to isolate it so that you can see it even more. So if I use the line on the board where the problem is, I can actually turn the helical head and I can line up, since this is exactly how I put it through the planer, that right there is my suspect carbide head because it's the one that lines up. So we're going to try to reseat that and see if we get an improvement. So the way you do this is you just back out the set screw on the cutter head itself, kind of just loosely move it into place, and then slowly screw it down, and it seats itself in the correct spot on the spindle. All right, we're going to plug it back in. Now again, remember, here's my lines. Let's see if the lines disappear. Well, I learned something. The Dewalt 735 has a safety switch that won't allow you to power it up without putting the top cover on, so we're just not going to screw it down. And there we go. That did fix the majority. We've got, still looks like we've still got one small little one out of alignment. It's not quite cutting correctly, but that's the way to be able to go back and find the problematic helical cutter heads and reseat them so that you get a good cut.